Assalamualaikum. My name is Misha Manan and I am currently teaching in Lahore Grammar School as a preschool teacher. And I'm currently part of a group called Staff Room Lahore. It's on Facebook. Please do check it out if you're a new teacher, especially if you're a new teacher, because there are so many people on there with vast experiences in the field of education, from teachers to coordinators to principals. It's run by Miss Farah Malik, who is an intelligent, informative woman who has a vast experience in education herself, and she created this group so it could help other people who want to come to this field. And this video is about a workshop that I joined under Miss Farah Malik, Education Leadership and Management. I joined her in a workshop, Education, Leadership and Management. We have another session on this Sunday where we got to learn a plethora of things one needs to join the leadership and management of education system, from planning, branding, school policies, etc. that are needed for building a school, and types of leaderships in Pakistan. I would highly recommend anyone to join these enlightening workshops done by Staff Room Lahore for your own experience. Thank you.